don't care. Listen. She didn't get a gold medal for her ability to speak Hmong, all right? Oh, Hmong, just here. Cũng mới là lùi hai nên này cái ô cha này chưa mong qua là mong đi cả mi cả mới là lùi kìa mi cả mới là lùi cái chúng này hai chúng mày cũng này cái salad này cũng này cái salad cái chúng này cái salad này okay giờ cũng này cũng cái salad cái chúng này cái salad nhớ tìm sai này tao chỉ dùng chia này cái thua này đó cũng cái salad
That's everything. There we go. Awesome. This is some of her security detail here.
Okay, so the cabin driver can give your instructions on how you're going to get in and just a little safety precautions and how the whole thing is going to work. So
You guys go up there.
Good to see you as well.
Suni's gonna ride in the bucket. Ladder eats. Oh, there's the mayor. Mayor Carter joined us here. You're the best, Suni. You're the best. You're the best. We're here just before the parade starts. Firefighters from the St. Paul Fire Department, Ladder 8, are equipping them. I like it. You won't fall out, will you? Hey, Suni, how's your balance up there? You go. County Chair Tony Carter. And the Mayor greeting Suni.
Alright, Amila, you ready? You're with the gold medal. Oh, good job, Amila. That's a gold medal performance right there.
There we go. Up and away.
I wanted him in there and have a lovely day. Thanks.
Good. Yeah, glad you made it.
When they're driving, once it's bedded and they're driving, they'll get down.
There we go.
Perfect.
All right, we are live at the kickoff for SUNY Lee Parade. We're not actually at the start of the parade.
I want to say thank you to the City of St. Paul and Visit St. Paul, and most importantly my whole entire family and everybody else just for coming out to see me. This is truly amazing. It's not like anything I ever expected. So to see all of your amazing faces here is just truly incredible. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm gonna get emotional, but thank you so much for coming out. It truly is amazing, and it's just like, I'm so overwhelmed, and I really feel all of the love and support that all of you have given me throughout my whole entire journey, and especially now since I'm an Olympic gold medalist. Like, girls and boys out here, and I just want to say that if you ever want to reach your dreams, please try and go for it, because you never know how far you're gonna get, and it's just ever, even if it get hard, like, don't ever stop, and please keep reaching for your dreams.